सिलेक्टिवली IIT जैम का आज 17 नंबर क्वेश्चन है। सवाल कुछ है एब्जॉर्प्शन ऑफ गैस ऑन अ सॉलिड सरफेस फॉलोज Langmuir isotherm and Ka by Kd is 1 per bar, and the fraction of absorption is also given. So you need to find out the gas equilibrium under 2.0 bar pressure at 25 degrees centigrade. So what will happen? So Langmuir isotherm equation is given by theta equal to Ka into P by 1 plus Ka. So where theta is the fraction of absorption sites occupied by the gas, P is the pressure of the gas, given that Ka by Kd is 1 0 bar inverse. So let's substitute this in this, and so P equal to 2.0 bar. So theta equal to 1 into 2 by 1 by 2. So theta equal to 2 by 1 2, so 2 by 3. So theta equal to 2 by 3, therefore the fraction of absorption sites occupied by the gas equilibrium under the 2 point bar pressure of at gas 25 degree is 2 by 3. So option number D is correct.